Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that determine whether or not the given pair of vectors is parallel. So now here we have the first pair and the second pair. So solution. So now we'll start with the first one. Now, for two vectors to be parallel, let me write it. So two vectors are parallel if the vector B is equals to C times the vector A. So two vectors are parallel if this condition is true. And if this condition is not true, that means the vectors are not parallel. So you have to satisfy this condition before the vectors are parallel. So let's test. So now we'll substitute this. B here is 4 and 5. C, then A is what? 2 and 3. So this will be what? 4, 5 is equals to 2C, 3C. So for this condition to be true, 2C must be equals to 4 and 3C must be equals to 5. That means C must be equal. So 2C is equals to 4. C is equals to what? 2. Then 3C is equals to what? 3C is equals to 5. C is equals to 5 over 3. Here you divide both sides by 2 and here you divide both sides by 3. So now, since C are not equal, the values of C varies here. So therefore, we will conclude that A and B are not parallel. So they are not parallel. For them to be parallel, the value of C has to be equal, and this condition must be satisfied. So they are not parallel. So let's move to the second one. So B here is minus 4 and minus 6. So it will be minus 4 minus 6 is equals to what? C. Then what's A? A is 2 and 3, the same thing. So now we'll open the bracket, minus 4 minus 6. So now we'll multiply this vector by C. So it will be 2C, 3C. So minus 4 will be equals to 2C. So C is equals to what? Minus 2. Here also minus 6 will be equals to 3C. C will be equals to, you divide both sides by 3. Here we divide both sides by 2. So here you divide both sides by 3 is what? C is equals to minus 2. So you see, the value of C are equal here, and this condition, which means that this condition above is satisfied. So this implies that. So hence, B is equals to what? CA. Therefore, vectors A and B are parallel. So that's it. So this implies that vector A and B are parallel. So the second part, the two vectors are parallel, and the first one, the two vectors are not parallel. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.